Okay, how are you, everyone? So the other time, what we worked on was just the introduction of how to create folder about the HTML. Most often, what really comes to our mind is that we have a lot of website that helps us to learn about all these kind of things: HTML, CSS, JavaScript, JSON, and other languages. We have a lot of websites, but I want us to work with W3 Schools website. That's why we will work with it. So let's pick the folder we created the other time. So now we've created only HTML and CSS. So we are working with the HTML and the CSS. Just the introduction. So the other time we worked on how we can create a folder and create files inside folders and how we can work with it. So you come to your extensions. The extensions, you search live server, live server. This one. You need to get it installed because that's the tool that you use to view how far you've gotten to offline. That's how you do it. You use that tool to work with it offline. And I wanted to go to W3 School so that we can get the introduction and see how it works for ACT. So let's get this one first. Then we go back to our HTML file, our HTML space. Just press Ctrl plus V, then we paste it. So after you Ctrl plus A, you select all. Then you what? Format it very well. You format the document so that it will arrange simple. So the title, let's just say introduction. Good. And the first heading is how to build simple website. The paragraph should contain using HTML and CSS. That's all you want to do for now. So you use the live server that you installed from the extension to view offline how it is, see how to build it, and using HTML and this is for now. Probably if some other time more comments keeps on coming, we will continue with how it works. Thank you very much.